today I'm going to be making some delicious toffee apples and with some homemade food coloring. This is going to be so fun.
Okay, so you want to remove the stalks from the apples. So once you've removed the stalks from the apples, put them in the bowl. And then you want to pour some very hot water over the apples. Just want to leave them in there for a few minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes, remove the apples from the very hot water. Dry the apples thoroughly and then insert wooden skewers or apple sticks into the stalk ends of the apples. You just want to butter the bottom of the pan. Okay, so add your sugar to the pan and then your water. Wow, that was a nice sound. So you just want to dissolve the sugar on a low heat and stir the mixture constantly. So now the sugar has completely dissolved and you want to add in your half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Okay, so once you've added your cream of tartar, you want to increase the heat and bring this up to the boil. And make sure not to stir it. If you want, you can just tilt the pan instead. Okay, so now it's been boiling for 3 minutes. You just want to remove the lid. It smells so good. Okay, so you just want to boil this until the syrup changes color to that lovely caramel color. So the syrup has changed color into that lovely golden caramel color, and we're just going to take it off the heat to add the food coloring. So you just want to add in your food coloring. This is the fun part. And you don't want to mix it with a spoon, you just want to tilt the pan. Like that. That looks so pretty. It's just that lovely color, not too much food coloring in there, and it just looks so delicious. I cannot wait to dip in the apples, but you just want to leave this to stand for a minute before you do any dipping. Okay, so now you just want to tilt the pan, and you want to work very quickly but also carefully because the toffee is quite hot. So you just want to dip. And then put it on the baking sheet. That looks so yummy! Let the toffee apples cool down. It's so delicious. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can hit the like button and please subscribe.